Hey guys, today I want to teach you guys how to do a very cute and simple Halloween cat makeup look. I'm going to start off by mixing two foundations using a spatula method to lay down a foundation smoother and more natural. Because the foundation matches me very well, I'm going to use concealer as a highlight under the eyes, on my forehead, nose, and under the chin. And then I'm going to lightly powder my face with a fluffy brush. I just fill in the tail part and the front part of my brows, and that's it. For the eyes, the main focus is the eyeliner, so I didn't do much for the eyes. I just put on pink color on the upper lid and then enhance my eye bags and then put glitter in the inner part of my eyelid, and that's it. Instead of going straight in with the eyeliner, I prefer to use a brown or gray eyeshadow to map up the eyeliner first. If I make any mistake, I can just erase it with my finger, and it's so easy. For the bottom eyeliner, you want to draw a triangle from directly below your pupil to the end of your eye, connecting to the wing eyeliner. Now I'm going to lay down the black eyeliner on top of the brow eyeshadow. Because I already have this blueprint eyeshadow, it's easier for me to apply the eyeliner on top because I know what I'm doing. Also, that pointy thing at the bottom, I'm guessing it's like a bottom eyelash, but the top thing I know it's supposed to be a cat ear. Also, this MAC eyeliner is not like black, it's kind of gray. I don't know why I'm whispering, but like it's gray. So I'm gonna use eyeshadow to darken it. I'm also using an eyeliner to create like this triangle thing, the feline thing at the inner corner. I should have used black, but I used brown. I started doing this thing where I don't wear mascara when I have to wear false lashes. It just looks so much neater, in my opinion. I don't know. Also, put the blush right next to the eyes, like really close to the eye. And contour, again, I don't know what I'm doing, but I look like I know what I'm doing. The contour is too light, but I'm trying to make it work, okay? They may look like the same fucking lipstick, but I swear they're different. I'm using a cushion foundation to cover my natural lip color. It's not necessary, but I just wanted to do it just for kicks, you know? I start off with the lighter color all over the lips and then blend it with, you can use your finger, but I'm just fancy, so I'm gonna use a finger brush. That's how they call it in Korea. And the darker color in the center, and then blend it again with the finger brush. Now we're gonna draw on fangs. I'm gonna use concealer and then create this like upside down triangle on my bottom lip. It's so cute, it's adorable. And then I'm gonna use a white eyeshadow to make it lighter and set it basically. And that's it for the look. Thank you for watching. Also, look at my cat. His name's Shu. He's so adorable. Anyways, like, comment, or something. I don't know. Bye!